Hey y'all, put your gloves on. Let's tie-dye today. Bad part about having these big old water bucket hands is getting bracelets on and off. That's why I wear cuffs and not bangles. But that's gonna drive y'all crazy. Oh, okay. Here we go. I've got some schmutz on it, but it's okay. I'm not selling it. It's for my daughter. She likes hot. She likes fire red and purple and tangerine. 100% cotton garment, has been soaked in soda ash water, washed first, then soaked in soda ash water solution 20 minutes or more, and then spun out in the washing machine until damp. I'm wanting to do like a side burst, but that goes into a crinkle. And I'm trying to decide. I really got some schmutz on this one. It's fine. It's fine. Not looking for perfect because I want the color to showcase, not the design. So I got some ideas for this one with my hot water. So I'm just gonna make some bands to follow. Then I'm going to need to leave some space. Okay, yeah, so we're going to do just easy peasy fan fold, just a pinch, nothing, no heroics here. We're not, this is about a ½ inch fan fold. We've got this wrapped, and then I'm going to crinkle this down into the design. Okay, let's head to the dye table. Wait, I'm not 100% for sure what I'm doing with this one. I can see it in my head, but we don't always make it from our head out our fingertips. I'm going with a lot of color, taking it from yellow through orange through red to blues and purples, and then tying it all together with a color. So I kind of don't know if I'm going to have enough room. We can do this. Okay. Whoa, you're getting live. Okay. All right. This is a lot. So we're going to do lemon yellow, and then we're going to do golden yellow, and then we're going to go up into like tangerine, and then from tangerine, dragon fruit, and then from dragon fruit up into, where's it at? No. Is it this one? Watermelon. I'm going with watermelon because it's orangey as opposed to the fire red. praying that my accent color is going to help it transition into my other colors. I might have a big old line of mud right here. I don't know, but we're gonna go with watermelon, and I'm almost out of fire red. I gotta make an order. And when we get up here, go with raspberry and also some turquoise. Mix that up in here. Ooh, should we put black in here too? Okay, and then to tie all this together here, I'm gonna go in with accents of red wine. Crush fingers, okay? So let's do it. Let's just rip our shoes off and run through the gravel. Are you ready? Okay, I'm gonna start with lemon yellow here. And this is a mess. This shirt is a mess. My hands are filthy. So here we have lovely lemon yellow. Beep, 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 beep. Not a lot on the corner. You know what? I'm going to take that lemon yellow on up into that next. There we go. I'd like to have some relief, or not relief, but we'll have some negative space. And then we're going to go from this to the golden yellow. We're going to let that accent these allergies. Okay, hang on a second, because my dog, I'm kind of, see how I'm bleeding these up into the next section? There's a method behind my madness. Oh, hang on, puppy. My new puppy doesn't like thunderstorms. Future editing Tish. God, you guys, this has been such a challenge. Okay, so I really struggled with, do I post this video at all? And I was just like, yeah, no, this is life. This is what happens. Technical failures, hurdles that we have to get over. It doesn't mean that we can't do it. That it's just, it's not the perfection that we have in our mind, right? And do we, you know, stride the hurdle, or do we quit? So I'm moving forward with this so you can see the end result. I will talk you through it in the next part, but I'm going to give you 10 seconds of what the video did after I sent it through a website to fix the video. I'm going to give you 10 seconds of that right now, and then we're going to go back and I'm going to explain the colors that I used, so on and so forth, so we can get to the reveal. Here we go. 10 seconds of pure chaos. The turquoise and the raspberry. So I'm going to put down the turquoise first. Man, y'all, my camera told me to take a hike. I am so sorry. So we got this far and then she said no. So we have golden yellow. We have dragon fruit. We have golden yellow, lemon yellow, golden yellow, tangerine, dragon fruit, watermelon, turquoise and raspberry, and then a smattering in each one of red wine. And then what also we missed was I started with my pour and I forgot to put soda ash on it. So I went ahead and put a little bit more dye powder on each section up to here, then zhuzhed it. And I just put my kettle back on, and now I'm gonna pour. This is, it happens sometimes. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, scooch in. Scooch in with me. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Okay, here we go. Ready? We're pouring. I'm gonna start here in the lemon yellow. No. For a second time. Oh, Okay, wait. Listen. I might have found a new way of doing this. Holy cow. Do you see that? That's ridiculous. That red wine is doing her job. She's making out. See these just little little texture thingies here. She read the assignment and she ate. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that tangerine. Then we had dose 2 of tangerine. These have all been hit twice. Oh my gosh, look at that dragon fruit. Look at her. Good. Oh, look at that. This is gonna be, well, maybe we just learned something. I'm sorry that y'all missed it as I was working my way through it, but holy flip cow. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Here we go. Now I'm gonna hit this. Doo-doo-doo. With the raspberry and the, look at that. Look at that. And we are pooling up there nicely. We're not rushing it. Letting them blend. Look at that. Look at that. Let me get that little corner. Holy cow. Look at them. Look at them. Oh my gosh. I cannot freaking wait to see this. Alright, gonna let her set for a couple hours. I think I'm hungry now. I'm gonna go eat some lunch. Are you ready? Okay, look. Sometimes it's not, it doesn't always come out the way you expected. But it still is pretty. So, bye. So, here, I put my color down. I started to pour. I forgot to zhuzh. I poured to here. And I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot to zhuzh. So, I went back, put more dye powder down here, then zhuzhed, then poured, which is what we saw. Just did a recap, okay, for season 2. This is actually not as vivid or brilliant as this is. And I think it's because I poured first and then poured second. Where I thought it was going to be hot, a hotter color, it washed out completely different. This is quite muted, actually. I'm not mad at it. Come here, come here, come here. Okay, look, I'm not mad at it because these colors were born to play together right here. Oh my gosh, these colors. Are we in focus, camera? Okay, so not much of our yellow made it. Here's a little bit. Come on, camera. So that's all the lemon yellow that made it. And then I went up a little bit, right? And I brought it up into here. The red wine overtook it, like here, these speckles, but this golden yellow completely overtook it, and the tangerine overtook it. So, but I have this tiny little lemon yellow accent here. And then we go into the golden yellow, and then we go to the tangerine, and the dragon fruit came down into the tangerine here. And then here's my red wine, right? The red wine did not perform like I thought it would, the way it did during the pour. It peaked at the pour, and that was it, honestly. Like, that red wine peaked in high school, okay? We just didn't take it any further. But it's okay, because we have these little remnants. I'm not mad at this. I really am not. And then into this watermelon here. And then we got some red wine here, right? Which did not make mud, which I'm very grateful for. And then, oh, hello. Am I wearing y'all out with this raspberry and turquoise combo? Because I'm sorry if I am, but I ain't gonna stop. I love that. Look right here. Oh my gosh. It's these colors. I mean, I love it. This is not what I wanted, but I like what I got. Let's look at the back. I changed my lighting a little bit. Woo! Now I got all these weird shadows and brightness, but dadgummit. There's the back. There's the back. We got a little bit more lemon yellow peeking out here on the back. But I freaking love it. Y'all, I love tie-dye. Oh, we gotta adjust that light. Whew. I wanted you to see the colors a little bit, but that light was just too much. I love tie-dyeing. I love playing. I love exploring. I love, will it work? Will it not? Do I like it? Do I not? It's just from start to finish, it's fun. But I don't put any expectations on myself either, as far as I need this to be exactly like this. Because that kind of takes away from the journey for me. Which is why I don't mass produce my designs. I just want to play and then make something else. So, but look what we did. Look what we did today. Even with the camera malfunction, even with everything, we still see the results. And she's so pretty. I think Lee's gonna like it. And if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure I put it in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. Sometimes we surprise ourselves. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. And I'll talk to you soon. And then up in here, I was thinking like raspberry and turquoise. I don't know what that sound was. I'm mucusy. Sorry, allergies. Excuse me.